Hi, in front of me is Meziu M6T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock and click on it. Then tap on this clock icon at the top of your display and click on the orange button. Over here you can set up an hour, and when you're done, click on repeat. Select Never, Monday to Friday, Everyday or Custom. If you go with Custom, you can select days of the week and save them by tapping on OK. Go into Sound and tap on My Music if you want to set up your own song as your alarm sound. But I don't have any songs, so I will go back and pick one of the system melodies as my alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. Over here, when you scroll down, you can see the volume slider. So when you swipe left or right, you can adjust volume of your alarm. Then click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable vibrations from your alarm and tap on Snooze. You can dismiss it and turn it off completely or pick how many minutes it will take. Lastly, click on Label your alarm however you want to and click OK. Then tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, tap on it, scroll all the way down and click on Delete. Then OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!